Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and the government shutdown is not officially over yet. So we still will not have any economic data just yet. Hopefully it'll end today and then we can get back to normal. I know everybody's hoping for that to happen, especially the airlines. Let's take a look and see earnings. We have Cisco today after the close. I don't see anything else that could potentially impact things, and I don't even think Cisco could impact the market at all. So let's get right into the broader markets right now. Broader markets pushed higher yesterday. Nice little push. Start with the ES. The ES yesterday, we held our levels pretty nicely. I had this 68, 35, 75. We did get above that level and we held pretty nicely right out of the box. We did try to push below it, and then you saw it wicked above that. And then we got above our November 4th high of 68.49 and a quarter. Hey, Anthony, good morning, pal. And now you could see, and then we just pretty much grinded higher all day yesterday, which is pretty good for a bank holiday. And now we got above this 68, 67, 75. I like that level. If we do lose that level, I'd like to see us potentially, we could potentially pull back to this 68.49 and a quarter. And then if we lose that, maybe 68.35, 75. And then on the upside, we are approaching this November 3rd high, 69.09. The 6,900 level is a psychological level. So you're always going to get some resistance at those even number levels. So like 6,900. And then if we get up to 7,000, I anticipate there to be some resistance up there. So I'd like to see us today, if we want to move higher, you got to get above the 69.0950 level and hold above it. And then I would say that if we get to the 69.26, this is the median range of this regressional channel that I have here. We potentially get some resistance there before we can approach these all-time highs at 69.5375. If we take a look out from the 4-hour chart, you could just see right here, as we've been talking about, we're trending up and nothing has been broken. So I'd like to, in order for us to get higher, we got to get above this mid-range on this regressional line that I have drawn here, which is going to come in here, I would say 69, probably 69.2756. So that's a level you got to break above that and hold. So let's get into the NASDAQ. Before I forget, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then press the more button down below to join our Discord so we can build our community. Because if you join the Discord, I have live trading from 8:15 to 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time every morning. So let's get into the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, similar chart right here. I've got a couple of levels of support down here for the NASDAQ. You saw the NASDAQ pushed higher, pretty similar as the ES yesterday. We did break above this 25,623.27 level yesterday. Let's see what it's doing right now, pre-market. We are above that level, so I would say that if we do get the pullback, when the market opens, I would say that's a first level right there of a pullback. And then if we lose that 25,663.75, I got a smaller level at 25,623.27. I do like a better pullback though to the 25,570.75 if we do get that kind of extreme pullback today. And then as far as the upside goes, same thing is on the NASDAQ. We're approaching this median regressional channel that I have drawn there. You've got a from November 5th, you've got 25,000. My eyesight's a little hurting today. So you got 25,880 this morning. And then again, if we look at it holistically on the 4-hour chart, you can just see this long line of upward trend moving to approach these upward highs. So we talked about at the beginning of the month that we said the first couple of weeks of November were going to be choppy, and then and my bias was that after the choppiness, we're going to start to approach those all-time highs again. And so hopefully the catalyst of that with everything will be once the government opens up, and then we can start getting some economic data, and then so we can see that the inflation is in fact coming down, and everything that that Trump is doing with tariffs could be working, hopefully, if it is. So let's get into Tesla. Tesla levels. So yeah, yesterday Tesla was a good day for trading yesterday. I had a bias yesterday. I said I came into yesterday bearish, and it was bearish right out of the open. I traded better yesterday than I did the day before, even though I made money both days. I'll go over that towards the end of this video. But yeah, I was looking for a little pop in the morning, and then a pullback down to this little gap that we had, this gap up that we had from Monday morning. And I think, in fact, we did fill that gap down here, this orange rectangle that I had here. So we did fill that yesterday. We bounced off it beautifully. So that's exactly what I did yesterday, right on the open. I was very patient yesterday, not like I was here, because the day before, my bias was I was looking for pullback longs yesterday, and I got long right on the open, and I had some bad drawdown, which cost me a few trades on the open, but I ended up making money on Monday. But yesterday I traded much better. So today I'm bullish on Tesla. So today I'm hoping to get a little pullbacks on Tesla and take it long. So if we look at Tesla right now, there's levels here that we are getting above right now that I like. To stay long on Tesla, I like this 441.46 level. So I like that to stay long. However, we are going to be contending with some levels here. So this 20-day SMA up here at 446.05, that's going to be an important level to get above that. But currently right now, we're above yesterday's close. So that's good. And right now we're hovering at yesterday's highs. So for me to be long today, I want to be over this 441.46. That's for starters. And then yesterday's highs, of course. And yesterday's highs were, let me see. Actually, this has yesterday's highs right here. I'm not sure what that's plotting there. Actually, that's not plotting yesterday's highs. This is yesterday's highs right here. So that's yesterday's highs. We are there. We are right at there right now, 42.49. So I'm just going to actually plot that on here right now. So that was 5 high. Okay, so we'll have that. So I'll know where yesterday's high was yesterday. So now that's a couple levels here. So we're above yesterday's close. We're above this weekly high from October 17th, 441.46. And then 442.49 is another level that we are getting above right now. So we're looking, the next level right here, that's going to be another level of potential resistance, is this 20-day SMA of 446.05. I believe if we can get above that level there, then I think that we can get to this 449 level, and then potentially get to this 450. And as I've been saying, in order for us to really take off, we got to get above this 452.65 level to get going right now. I want to show you something that I've been looking at on the long range on Tesla, which I really like. Let me just see here, all clean. It's a nice little bull flag setting up on Tesla. Okay, so those of you that don't know what a bull flag is, here's the flagpole right here, and then you have the flag part of it, and it's pointing upward, so it's trending upward. So in order for it to really pay dividends here, you're going to have to break through this kind of 470 level, and then you can really take off to the, and start breaking towards the new highs. So we're not quite there yet. So right now we're still in the flag part of Tesla right now, but we are at the lower end of that flag. So it's important that we hold these levels in order for Tesla to continue its upward momentum. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. We're getting some good traction on the views, but I need to get some more likes. Got to get this channel going a little bit. So let's go over yesterday's 5-minute opening range trade. Very clean yesterday. And here we go. Boom. So yesterday's opening range trade, here we go. Yesterday's trade, I said coming in, my bias, I was looking for some pops and fades, and sure enough, we got that. So the range yesterday was 441.56 on the high to 437.10 on the low. And so I was very patient, and I actually did not, I don't think I waited to break here to take it, to take Tesla down. I did, my thoughts yesterday was that if we did break the lows here, that we were going to close this gap yesterday. So I was pretty confident on if we did break this low range here on the 5-minute that we were going to go, that was my price target down there. But I was pretty aggressive on my trades, and but I did not take it all the way down to this gap there, but I was pretty close. So but anyway, so I want to show you guys something. I'm not comfortable showing my profit and loss, but I found a way I can show a couple things. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a habit of this or not, but I told you about the other day that I made $1,300. It was not a great trading day. I spoke about that. I was not patient with my trade, so I had some drawdown. I had about $1,000 worth of drawdown. I had 6 total trades, 5 winners, 1 loser. And, you know, the profit on the day was net $1,263.80 because I had $107 in commission. And then yesterday we had a $2,300 net profit, 6 winners and 2 losers. So this is a typical day. I don't have 100% winners every day, and no trader does. And one thing you should note, that if you're not comfortable with taking a loss, you will not succeed as a trader. Part of trading is taking losses. That's the most important part of trading, as a matter of fact. It's not about winning. It's about being able to take your losses. So like, take yesterday, for example. So my worst loss was $244, but it did not exceed my best winner, right? So, I mean, my best winning trade yesterday, I had a $1,600 winning trade. So I traded a total of 225 contracts in total yesterday, and I had 8 total trades. And my day was pretty much done. You know, I mean, I made 1 trade at the end of the day because I was by my computer, just kind of just, you know, futzing around here for $100. But my day was pretty much done by 9:20 in the morning. I like to be done with my day by 10 o'clock every day. That's an ideal day for me. I don't want to be sitting by my computer all day long and, you know, chasing dollars, because you know, you want to have a life, you want to make your trades, and you want to be done with it. So anyways, that's it for Tesla today. So going over my buys for Tesla today, I am hopefully looking for pullback longs. And so hopefully we can get that pullback. Right now, you've got the broader markets that are pushing higher right now. So I do like that, as long as these markets can hold up and there's nothing earth-shattering that's coming out. So anyways, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, press the more button down below to join our Discord community, and there will be live trading in the live trading room from 8:15 a.m. to 10 a.m. Central Time, and I will be in there. If I don't see you there, have a great trading day, and if I don't see you in there, I will see you tomorrow. Talk soon. Bye.